Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. If you're like me, when you make an investment in something, you want to protect it. This is a screen protector that I got for my iPad Air, which has the 10.9-inch screen, and it's from OMOTON. Now, it comes with two screen protectors, so I thought that was a really great value. You're going to be able to have two just in case you need a second one. And the instructions are very clear. They give you step-by-step instructions, so there's no guesswork in installing this. They even give you a little cleaning cloth and some alcohol wipes so you can make sure the surface is perfectly clean. I was a little nervous about lining this up, but it was much easier than I thought it would be, and I was able to place this screen protector right on the front of my iPad, and as it just kind of adhered, there are absolutely no air bubbles, and you can hardly even tell that it's there. I'm just gonna show you real close there. It just sits right on the edge. So I'm getting the protection, but I'm not feeling any interference with the use of my iPad, and it does not have any interference with my finger using it or with my pencil. So this has been exactly what I was hoping for. Protection for the investment of my iPad. It gives me peace of mind, and it does not interfere with my daily use of the screen. And that is my point of view.